We gaze at the stars, we wonder about our place in this vast universe. But have you ever wondered how it all ends? The universe is a stage for a grand cosmic play. What happens when the curtains finally close? It's a question that has puzzled humans for centuries. The end of everything as we know it is a truly mind-boggling concept. The universe is a vast and mysterious place. It's constantly expanding. But what happens when this expansion stops? What happens after that? The answers are shrouded in scientific theory and speculation. But that doesn't stop us from exploring the possibilities. It's a journey into the ultimate fate of the universe and everything in it. Scientists have a few theories about the universe's grand finale. One is the Big Freeze. It suggests that the universe will keep expanding forever. Eventually stars will burn out and galaxies will drift apart. The universe will become a cold, dark, and lonely place. Another theory is the Big Rip. This one's a bit more dramatic. Imagine the universe's expansion accelerating at an ever-increasing rate. Eventually, this expansion would become so powerful that it would tear apart everything. Galaxies, stars, planets, even atoms themselves. Then there's the Big Crunch, a sort of reverse Big Bang. In this scenario, the universe's expansion eventually slows down. Gravity takes over, pulling everything back together. The universe collapses in on itself, ending in a single, incredibly dense point. These theories each paint a different picture of the universe's final act. Will it be a slow fade to black, a violent shredding, or a return to the beginning? Only time will tell. We measure time by the ticking of clocks and the changing of seasons. But what is time, really? And what happens to it at the end of the universe? The concept of time is deeply intertwined with the fabric of the universe. Some physicists believe that time itself began with the Big Bang. If the universe collapses in a big crunch, does time end as well? Or does it simply loop back to the beginning? What if the universe keeps expanding? Will time continue indefinitely? These are some of the most perplexing questions in all of science. The answer to the end of time, it seems, is as elusive as the end of the universe itself. Imagining the end of time is like trying to picture the edge of the universe. It's beyond our comprehension, but we can try. In a big freeze, we might envision a sea of darkness, dotted with the faint remnants of long-dead stars. The temperature would be just a fraction of a degree above absolute zero. A big rip would be far more chaotic. Imagine space itself tearing apart, galaxies unraveling like thread, planets exploding into dust. It would be a cosmic light show on a scale too vast to comprehend. The Big Crunch is perhaps the most visually arresting scenario. All matter and energy collapsing into a single point, a blindingly bright singularity. It would be the ultimate cosmic reset button. These are just glimpses into the potential endings of our universe. The reality, when it happens, might be something far stranger and more awe-inspiring than we can imagine.